Now that you're in your room, I'd like to help you with your vocabulary inside the room. Let's play a game. Let's see if you can name all the things in the hotel room. What is this called? This is a towel, or if it's more than one, we say towels, towels. A towel, towels. What is this? This is a pillow, or two pillows, pillows. What are these? These are cushions. One, we say cushion, two, cushions, cushion, so a cushion. What's this? So this is called an iron, iron. I actually have another video that focuses on household chores and so on. So if you want to watch it, I'll put a link in the description. And what is this? And of course, this is an ironing board, an ironing board. Okay, so an iron board or an ironing board. You can say both. And what is this? This is a minibar, a minibar. This usually costs money, so avoid this little thing. What is this called? This is called a power outlet, a power outlet. And this? Toothpaste and toothbrush. And what is this? Good. This is a hairdryer, hairdryer. And this? These are hangers, hangers. One hanger, several hangers. And what is this? This is a do not disturb sign. When you want to sleep and you don't want to be disturbed, you can put this sign on the doorknob. And last but not least, what is this? This is a safe. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you sign up to my emails for more tips, reminders, and more. That's the end of the class. Please support my lessons by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Bye for now.